Hey guys, and welcome to C Sharp tutorial of the piano. So let me show you guys how this works. Then we put one of these together. That's how it works, just like any other piano. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to put one of these together. So let's end this, and we start a new project entirely. So come in here, click on Create Projects. I'm going to make this project available for you guys to download. However, make sure you subscribe to the channel, please. So, like I said, we're using Windows Forms application.net, and that says C Sharp. So I'm going to select that, and let's click on Next. Give your project name. I'm just going to call it Piano. Piano Cube. Click on Create. Development environment is ready. So this form, I'm just going to enhance it a little bit. So let's make it that's much better. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come straight here. You see where we have the properties, grab hold of a button. Just drag it out much and move it over there. Change the font size of this very button to about 16, something a little bit more pronounced. There we go. And let's get the text. You see where it says text align? I'm going to get it right there. Okay? We just want it bottom centered, and the text content on it, I'm going to change that to C. There we go, uppercase C. So I just copy it across, hold on to the control, click and drag. All right, and do that. We need 11 of those and 3 more. There we go. Let's enhance the size of this font. There. So that's fine. The next thing we want to do is to change the font that we have in here. So I'm going to make that D. So come right here and change that to D. And click on this out the E, then F, and so on. So that's the white key taken care of. So the next thing is I'm going to copy just one of the white key, hold on to the control, click and drag. Now we change the color of that to black, and the font, I'll change the font to white. Okay, first of all, let's change the font color to white, and the back color, change that to black. There. And I'm going to position this just right here, just like you have in any of those pianos. So let's copy it across. Then I'm also going to just copy this. And then we need one here. And we need 2 here. There we go. So this is going to be C sharp. So come right here, change that to C sharp. C sharp. And that's going to be D. Next is going to be F. And this is going to be G. This is double B. And this one is going to be C sharp 1, D sharp 1. There. The whole interface is ready now. So all I then need to do is let me add some music notes. The music note, I will also make it available. This is the music note I intend to use. So this very music note, I'm going to add it onto my system, to the program. So come right here, you see the project, click on the project, select the name of your project. And right here, select resources. Inside the resources, I'm going to come right here where we have string, change that to images. Okay, you can always come in here and just say add existing file. The choice is yours if you want to do that, or just go to the file, grab hold of your images and just drag and drop. There we go. And that's ready. If you go to the properties, let's go to the form and look for Solution Explorer. Look at the Solution Explorer right there. That is it, right there. Okay. Now to call the very first music note, which is and that is supposed to be C. Double click on this button right there, and here the procedural area of that button, just enter System, but Media, and you say dot sound play. I'm going to accept that. There we go. Sound play, and the object name is going to be known as player, and player equals new system dot media dot sound play. And here we have to enter the property because the property is right in here. Okay, so we say property dot resources dot resources. And what I have within the resources here, those are the music notes. The one I want is just this very one here, C. So right there, just say dot C. Okay. Next thing you want to do now is to get this player just to play. Come right down here, paste dot play. That's it, done. So if you try that out, you can run. Hear that, guys? Good. So let's end that. So all they need to do, I'm just going to copy all of these and come right here, the next button, double click on that, paste. Change that to D. Or you can just say dot D. There we go. That's for D. Run. Okay, let's go for E. Double click on E, paste. Change this to E. F. Repeat the same thing, paste. Change that to F. In fact, this tutorial is actually very good for beginners. Okay, just to play around with, you know how to embed the sound and get the sound to do whatever you want it to do. So that's the G. So let's change that to a G. Next is going to be A. Paste that in there and change this to A. I will make the music note available for you guys, and I will also make the code, this very project, available for you guys, provided you do me a favor. Just try and subscribe to the channel, okay? If you can do that for me, that would be great. So once you subscribe, I would definitely send this project to you. Paste that with C#1. I just put a 1 there. Next is D. D1. So E1. E1. F1. Paste. F1. Next is C#. The C#, I just say C underscore S. Okay. That's the music note there. Okay. I number them or I name them so that it'd be easy for me just to grab hold of. That is D#. D. Then the next one is F. Next, G. G, S. Next, double B, and go. And next, C sharp 1, dot C S1. Next, DX1, DS1. And that's it. Just finished creating my piano. So I'm going to try that out. Click on run. Decision time, guys. Let's try it out now. So I'm going to play something totally different. Let's go for Tinkle Tinkle Little Star. There we go, guys. And that's how you create your own piano. And like I said, this project will be made available for you guys. And please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. For those of you who want to give it a try, I will actually embed the code at the music note for you as well. Just have to practice with. So with that, I'm going to say bye for now. And please do subscribe to the channel. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now.